Yes, very good morning, children. Yes, welcome back to our online classes. Here we are discussing now here the chapter decimals. Yes, in our previous class, what we have discussed in the decimal section? Yes, comparing the decimals as well as one more thing we have discussed, that is the uses of the decimal numbers. Where we have to use the decimal numbers while converting the smaller unit, while expressing the smaller unit in terms of larger unit. Like if you are expressing the centimeter in terms of meter, you will use the what decimal numbers. If you are expressing the meters in terms of kilometer, in that condition also you will use the decimal numbers. Suppose if you are expressing the paise in terms of rupee, also you will use the what decimal numbers. Like that, while converting the units, while converting the larger units to smaller units to larger units, you will use the decimal numbers. Yes, by using these decimal numbers, today we have to see again some more examples for uses of these decimal numbers. Yes, so just I want to give one of the thing. Express the given meters in terms of kilometer or given centimeters in terms of what meter by using the decimal numbers. Yes, express these in terms of these as a what? Kilometer. Express these meters as a kilometer by using the decimal numbers. Yes, ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೆಜಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ kilometer. Suppose you have 35 meter, how can you express in terms of kilometer? Yes, yesterday we have seen, just turn your pages, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, means 1 meter equal to how much we got? 1 by 1000. Kilometer means it is nothing but 0.001 kilometer. When it is 1 meter equal to 0.001 kilometer means 35 meter is equal to how much? Yes, 1 by 1000. Same way 35 by 1000 kilometer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, ಅಲ್ವಾ? meter to kilometer ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, okay, convert this 35 by 1000 in terms of decimal number form. Write in decimal number form. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಜೀರೋ ಅದಾವ. After 3 digit we will use the decimal point. Which are those 3 digits? 5 3 0. So after these 3 digits we have to do the decimal point. It is nothing but 0.35 kilometer. 0.035 kilometer. Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹಿಂಗೆ. Second one, 650 meter you have to express in kilometer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ? 1 meter ಒಳಗೆ 1 kilometer ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ? 1000 meters ಅದಾವ. So 650 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000 means after 3 digit we have to do the decimal point. Okay? After 3 digit means first digit, second digit, 6. After these 3 digits we have to give the decimal point. It's become 0.650. How much? 0.650. Next one. 7 kilometer 258 meter we have to express in terms of only kilometer. Together it is now in terms of kilometer as well as meter it is there. First we have to convert it in terms of only, we have to express it in terms of kilometer. Yes, 7 kg keep as it is. Then kilometer keep as it is. Then 258 gram you have to 258 meter you have to express in kilometer means divided by 1000. Yes, kilometer. Already 7 kilometer. Then plus 258 we can express in 258 by 1000 in decimal form. How? 0.258 kilometer. Yes, if you add these two, 7.258 kilometer kilometer to 58 meter. If you convert in terms of only, if you express in terms of kilometer, it becomes 7.218 kilometer. Just pause this video and take it. Yes, over. Okay, next one, we'll take again some more here. Yes, what is the next one? Nandu fourth one, 60 kg, 60 kilometer, 60 meter. Yes, 60 kilometer, just keep as it is, plus 60 meter, you have to express in kilometer means divided by 1000. Okay, 60 kilometer keep as it is, plus 60 by 1000, we have to write 0. Yes, tell me, 0.060 kilometer. Yes, if you add these two, 060 point 0 plus 60, 60.060 kilometer. Like this, we have to express in terms of kilometer. Take one more, fifth one, 2586 meter. Yes, it is in terms of 1000. So the given number, if you divide by 1000, then it will convert to in terms of kilometer. Okay. So here 2586 divided by 1000, express in decimal. After 3 digit, we have to give the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit means 2.586 kilometer. Yes, 2000 meter under 2 kilometer plus 586 meter under 2 kilometer, 586 meter. We have to express in terms of kilometer by using the decimal point, means it becomes 2.586 kilometer. Just pause it and take this one. Yes, is it over? Okay. Now, same way, we have to express the given centimeters in terms of meter. Yes, next one, express centimeters as a meter by using the decimal. One example, 258 centimeter, you have to express in terms of meter. Yes, in 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. If you need 1 centimeter, this 100 comes here, means 1 by 100 meter. 1 meter ke 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter ke ಎಷ್ಟು meter ಇದೆ? 1 by 100 centimeter. 1 by 100 meter. So same way here, 258 centimeter, if you want to convert in terms of meter, means divided by what? 100. Meter to kilometer divided by 1000. Then centimeter to meter divided by 100. Okay. Now 258 divided by 100 meter it is. Yeah. There are 2 digit means after 2 digit there are 2 zeros means after 2 digit you have to give the decimal point. It becomes 2.58 meter, means 2 meter 58 centimeter. It is nothing but we have to write together in terms of meter. Okay. Next one more. Take here. Second one, 67 centimeter we have to express in terms of meter. Okay. So converting centimeter to meter means we have to divide by what? 100. So divide by 100 means there are 2 digits. After 2 digits there are 2 zeros here. So after 2 digits we have to give the decimal point. It becomes 0.67. 2 digit. So it becomes 0.67 in terms of what? Meter. In terms of what? Meter. Okay, take another one. 6 meter to 29 centimeter. Already it is in terms of meter, keep as it is 6 meter plus 29 centimeter you have to express in terms of meter means 29 by 100 meter. Okay, 6 meter keep as it is 29 by 100. How will you write in terms of decimal? Yes, after 2 digit we have to give the decimal point, that is 12.0, 0.29 meter. Suppose if you add these two, it becomes 6.29 meter. It becomes 6.29 meter. Just pause this video and take it. Yes, over. Okay. Now we will go to same way. We have one of the exercise here, that is based on the uses of the decimal numbers. Means while converting the smaller to larger unit, how we are using the decimal numbers. Based on that, we have one of the exercise, that is 8.4. Yes, first we have to take those problems now. 8.4. What is the first question here? First main, express as rupees using the decimal numbers. Andre in terms of paise ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ in terms of rupees ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, 1 rupee ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೈಸೆ ಇದಾವೆ? Before that I will tell. 1 rupee means how many paise? Sorry, 1 rupee means how many paise? 100 paise. Okay, so 1 paise means how much rupee? 1 by 100 rupee. It is nothing but ನೀವು paise to rupee convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ divided by 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear? ಯಾಕ್ರಿ 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupee ಐತಿ. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು paise ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, 2 paise means 2 by 100, 3 paise means 3 by 100, 10 paise means 10 by 100, 60 paise means 60 by 100. Like that, how to divide the paise by 100 means you will get that amount in terms of rupee. Okay, so in the first one 5 paise, first one 5 paise you have to express in terms of rupee. Mean 1 paise 1 by 100 rupee, 2 paise 2 by 100, same way 5 paise 5 by 100 rupee. Okay, 5 by 100 we will write this as in terms of decimal. Means ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 0 ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಅದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ 1 2 digit from right to left ಬಿಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. 1 2 digit ಬಿಟ್ಟು decimal point ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, it becomes 0.05 rupee, 0.05 rupee. Same next one 75 paise andre 75 by 100. So 75 by 100 it is in terms of rupee. So you can convert this one in decimal form. Yes, 0.75. 2 digit agale decimal point 1 2 digit agale 1 2 digit agale decimal point 0.75 rupee. Okay, next one 20 paise, 20 paise 20 paise 20 by 100 rupee, 20 by 100 rupee means decimal form 0.20 rupee. Yes, next one, this one 50 rupee 90 paise. Very nice. 50 rupee 90 paise. Already 50 it is in terms of rupee. Just keep as it is 50 rupee plus 90 paise you can express in a rupee. How? 90 by 100 rupee. 90 by 100 how can you write? Yes, 50 plus 0.90, it is nothing but 50.90 rupee. Together you have to express like this, 50.90 rupee. Okay, next one, equal 725 paise. 725 paise, paise to rupee convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Divided by 100. So 725 divided by 100 rupee. Yes, so 725 by 100 we have to express it decimal. After 2 digit we have to give the decimal point 1 2. So it becomes 7.25 It becomes 7.25 rupee. Yes, have got it? Okay. Just pause this video and take it. Yes, have written down? Okay, shall we go to the next question? What is the next question? Same like this, converting it. Yes. Let's take here the second question. What is that? Express as meters using the decimals. Express as meters using decimals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100. How? 1 meter equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. If you want 1 centimeter, you can take as 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. It is nothing but 0.01 meter. Suppose here 2 centimeter equal to 2 by 100 meter. 3 centimeter equal to 3 by 100 meter. 4 centimeter equal to 4 by 100 meter. Here your first number is 15 centimeter. So you can write as 15 by 100 meter. Yes or no? So 15 centimeter if you are converting to meter means divide by 100. 15 by 100 meter. 15 by 100 meter express in decimal. And the divide by 100 agar 2 zeros means after 2 digit we have to give the decimal point. It becomes 0.15 meter. Okay. So okay, second one. Beat 1 6 centimeter. Beat 1 what? 6 centimeter means 6 by 100 meter. 6 by 100 meter. So 6 by 100 means 0.06 meter. 1, 2. After these 2 digits, we have to do the decimal point. So 0.06 meter. Next one, seat 1, 2 meter 45 centimeter. 2 meter 45 centimeter. 2 meter already it is in terms of meter. Keep as it is. 45 centimeter you have to express in terms of meter. Okay. So it becomes 45 by 100 meter. Okay. 45 by 100 you can write as 0.45 meter. So 2 meter plus 0.45 meter together 2.45 meter. 2.45 meter. Okay. Next one. Next another 9 meter 7 centimeter. 9 meter so 7 centimeter. Yes, 9 meter already in terms of meter keep as it is plus 7 centimeter write in meter means 7 by 100 meter. Yes, 9 meter keep as it is. 7 by 100 means 0.07 meter. Means if you add these two 9.07 meter. If you add these two it becomes 9.07 meter. Okay. Next, each one. What is the each number here? 419 centimeter. 419 centimeter. It is in terms of centimeter means convert to meter. Convert to meter means 419 divided by what? 100 meter. So it becomes 4.19 meter. 4.19 meter. Just pause it. Take this second question here. Yes. I hope I have written. Sure of it. Boring ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಯಾಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿರಿ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿರಿ yes or no already you have completed your first term then you are entered to second term of this class you should be very happy ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿರಿ ಓಕೆ next one third question what is the third question here express as centimeter using decimals andra in terms of he has given in terms of millimeter you have to convert in terms of centimeter means 1 centimeter equal to how much millimeter 10 millimeter you know that yes if you want 1 millimeter divided by 10 agate 1 millimeter is equal to what? 1 by 10 centimeter. It is nothing but 0.1 centimeter. Yes or no? Suppose if you take here 2 millimeter, 2 by 10 centimeter. 3 millimeter, 3 by 10 centimeter. 100 millimeter, 100 by 10 centimeter. Yes or no? So in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. Means in 1 millimeter there are 1 by 10 centimeter. Yes. Here first one 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. Millimeter to centimeter if you are converting means divide by 10. 5 by 10. 1 0 means 1 digit 1 decimal point 6. Yes. Okay. It becomes 0.5 centimeter. What? 0.5 centimeter. Next big one. What is the big one? 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter means 60 by 10 centimeter. 60 by 10, 10 1 10 6 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 centimeter. ಹಂಗೂ ಬೇರೆ after one digit we will give the decimal point means 6.0 centimeter. Both are same only. Yes. Okay. Next sheet one. 164 millimeter. It is very interesting. More than 100. Yes, 164 millimeter means you are converting to centimeter means 164 by 100 centimeter. 164 by 100. 100 or 10? Sorry, 10 centimeter. Howdri? Millimeter to centimeter convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 10 divided by 10 ಮಾಡಿ. 1 by 0 ಇದೆ. After one digit we will give the decimal point 60.4 centimeter. 60.4 centimeter. Next to D equal what? 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. Okay. 9 centimeter already in terms of centimeter. Keep as it is. 8 millimeter expressed in centimeter. 8 by 10 centimeter. So 9 centimeter plus 8 by 10 can write as 0.8 centimeter. It is nothing but together 9.8 centimeter. How much? 9.8 centimeter. Okay. Yes, next one. Each one. What is the eighth number? 93 millimeter. 93 millimeter. So converting millimeter to centimeter means divided by 10 meter, centimeter. Okay. Divided by 10 means 9.3 centimeter. Like this, you have to convert. You have to express it. Just pause this video and take it. Yes. I hope you have written. Okay. Shall we go to next question now? Yes. What is the next question here? Quote me. Is totally based on uses of the decimal numbers. Fourth one, expressed as kilometer. Meter to kilometer ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Divided by 1000. Why? Because in 1 kilometer how many meters? 1000 meter. Meter if you want in terms of kilometer means 1 meter equal to what? 1 by 1000 kilometer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ meter to kilometer convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ divided by 1000. Okay. 1 meter equal to what? 0.001 kilometer. Yes, like this we have to express the meters in terms of kilometer by dividing this number by 1000. If 2 meter andre 2 by 1000 kilometer, 3 meter andre 3 by 1000 kilometer. Like this we have to convert it. Okay, first one 8 meter. 8 one here 8 meter means 8 by 1000 kilometer. 8 by 1000 we have to write in a decimal form. After 3 digits we have to give the decimal point. 1, 2, 3 means 0.008 kilometer. 0.008 kilometer. Next one 88 meter. 88 meter means 88 by 1000 kilometer. Yes, 88 by 1000. In decimal. After 3 digits we will give the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. It becomes 0.088 kilometer. Okay. Next sheet one. Sheet one. 888 meter. Okay, 888 meter divided by 1000 kilometer it is. Okay, so write it as 0.888 kilometer. Okay, decimal form we have to express it. Next this one, 70 kilometer 5 meter. 70 kilometer and 5 meter. 70 already it is in terms of kilometer as it is, plus 5 meter expressed in kilometer means 5 by 1000 kilometer. Yes, 70 as it is plus 5 by 1000 write in a decimal form. How? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit we will give the decimal point, that is 0.005 kilometer. Now 70 plus 0, 70.005 kilometer it is. 70.005 kilometer. Yes. Okay. Next one, over only. There are 4 numbers here. Okay, sit over. Okay. Just pause it and take the answer. We will go to the next question. That is 5th one. What is the 5th question here? Express as kg using the decimals. In terms of gram he has given. You have to express it in terms of kilogram using the decimal numbers. Okay. Last question here, express as kilogram. And in terms of gram ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ kilogram ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay. 5th one. So first ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In 1 kg how many grams are there? 1000 grams. Okay. How many grams? 1000 grams. If you want 1 gram, you will divide the 1000 by 1. Okay. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Okay. So 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kilogram. Yes or no? 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. 2 gram equal to 2 by 1000 kg. 3 gram equal to 3 by 1000 kg. Like that, we have to convert it. Okay, what is the first number here? 2 gram. Very nice. 2 gram means 2 by 1000 kg. 2 by 1000 kg. Yes, 2 by 1000. Expressed in decimal. After 3 digit, we will give the decimal point. Okay, after 3 digit means 1, 2, 3 digit, we will give the decimal point 0.002 kg. Kilogram. Next one. This one, 100 gram. 100 gram means 100 by 1000 kilogram. Can write it in decimal form. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, we will give the decimal point, that is 0.100 kg. Yes. Next, seed one. What is the seed one here? 3750 gram. Yes. 3750 gram you have to converting in kilogram means divided by 1000. So divided by 1000 means express it in a decimal form. After how many digits we will give the decimal point? 3 digits from right to left. Okay. 1, 2, 3 means 3.750 kg. It is nothing but 3 kilogram 750 gram. Together we will write as 3.750 kilogram. Next to this one, 5 kg 8 gram. 5 kg 8 gram. 5 kg already it is in terms of kg only, plus 8 gram can write in kg. It means 8 by 1000 kg. Okay. 5 kg as it is plus 8 by 1000 write in decimal 0.008 kg. Together 5.008 kilogram. 5.008 kilogram. Like this we have to convert. Okay, next one 26 kg. So next one 26 kg 50 gram. Equal 26 kg 50 gram. Okay. 26 already in terms of kg. Imagine it plus 50 gram expressed in kg means 50 by 1000 kg. Okay. 26 kg plus 50 right in decimal form 50 by 1000 0.050 means 26.050 kg. Like this, how to convert the smaller unit in terms of larger units by using the decimal numbers. Yes, dear student, with this your 8.4 exercise over. Okay, now we will discuss the next concept is that is the addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers. Yes, what we will discuss now? Addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers we will take. Yes, okay, just write it. Okay, I hope you have written. So in our next session we will take this addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers. Okay, so take care dear children. Bye bye.